Today, I want to take you somewhere really special. This little place has helped us save a huge amount of money on food shopping, sometimes around £97 a week. And that's not from yellow stickers or eating rubbish food. It's a local food initiative called Fur Clemt. And every week I come here with my friends Carol and Claire. We do our food shop and we sit in the cafe for a proper meal and we take it in turns each week. Even with lunch included, it works out so much cheaper than a normal supermarket trip. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what it looks like inside. The rustic wooden crates, the huge fruit and vegetable stands, the freezers that are absolutely packed, and then the cafe meals we enjoy, plus a little look at our midweek Christmas lunch that we had here. I think you'll see it's nothing like the stereotype people might have in their minds. Let's start with the shop inside. As you walk in, the first things you notice are these wooden crates lining the shelves. They've gone for a really simple, rustic look. It's very on trend, and honestly, it feels more like a farm shop than a bargain place. Everything's laid out so neatly. It's clean, it's organised, and you get to see right away what's available. The crates are full of all kinds of bits, tins, packets, and everyday staples. You don't feel like you're rummaging through leftovers. You feel like you're just shopping with dignity like anyone else. Then there's these huge fruit and veg stands. They're absolutely packed, holding so many different vegetables and fruit. You can pick up ingredients and make proper, real meals for your family. It all looks fresh and inviting, and there's a really good choice, not just odd things no one wants to cook with. What really strikes me when I walk in is how clean and well presented everything is. The floors, the crates, the produce, it all feels cared for. It's the kind of place you'd be proud to shop in. Around the sides, they've got freezers that are abundantly stocked. There's always something in there. Frozen veg, bits of meat, ready meals, puddings and all sorts. And the dates are clearly visible. Everything's stored properly and you can plan your meals around what you find. This is where a big chunk of our savings come from, because you can stretch your budget so much further when you're paying a fraction of supermarket prices. So that's the shop inside, rustic, clean and genuinely lovely to walk around. But it doesn't stop there. Fur Clemt also has a cafe and we actually love eating there. The meals are really well presented. You can see from these plates that it's proper cafe food, not an afterthought. Not an afterthought. This is the sort of meal you'd easily pay full price for on the high street. But here, it's heavily discounted, and the portions are generous, the food's tasty, and you come away feeling like you've had a treat, not like you've compromised. Every week after we've done our shopping, Carol, Claire and I sit down and we have lunch, we catch up, and one of us will pick up the bill. It becomes a really lovely little rhythm in our week. We take turns apiece each week paying for all of our meals. And then there's the community side of it. These photos are from a Christmas lunch we had here in the middle of the week before they closed for Christmas. The tables were all set out, people were chatting, and there was just this really warm, friendly atmosphere. Again, the food was well presented, it felt special, and the prices were highly discounted. So people who might not otherwise be able to afford a Christmas meal out still got to enjoy one. It didn't feel like charity. It just felt like a bunch of people coming together to share a meal. Fur Clemt also does so much more than just food. Throughout the year, they run different courses and activities, things like furniture building workshops, cooking classes, job-related courses, book clubs, and various groups that bring people together. It's a real community hub, giving people skills, confidence, and somewhere to belong. In simple terms, the way it works is this. They take surplus food that would otherwise go to waste and sell it on at heavily discount prices. The food's in date, stored correctly, and good quality. It helps families who are struggling, people on low incomes, and also those of us who are just trying to be careful and make our money go further. There's no big fuss or judgment. You just come in the shop. Between the three of us, shopping here regularly instead of doing everything at the supermarket has made a real difference. That saving of around £97 isn't just numbers on a screen. It's money back in our family budget without sacrificing quality. If you're watching this and you're thinking, I wish we had something like that, it's worth having a little look around your local area to see what's available. Food initiatives, community shops, social supermarkets, community fridges. You might be surprised by how lovely they are inside and how friendly the atmosphere feels. Let me know in the comments if you've anything similar near you, or if you'd like me to share more videos like this, showing real life ways how we're keeping costs down as a family without losing the sense of treat and community. Thank you so much for watching and being here with us at Wallflowers UK. I hope you enjoy the photographs and you can actually see, some people have a thought or an idea that it's somehow going to be degrading, it's somehow going to not be clean, have a choice just given surplus food, etc. But you'd be amazed when you actually enter in. It's a full shopping experience, like I've just said. And it feels like, I don't know, with the wooden crates, etc., it feels like an upmarket supermarket on a small scale. It is a pleasant environment. And once you become a regular, they remember your name, people talk to you, and you do become part of the community. We've built friendships not only with the staff and the management, but with people that we meet on a regular basis in the shop itself. And it's surprising who you bump into. Only last week I saw someone that I hadn't seen for years and years. On a regular basis, I see other people and say hello, and we're all there shopping together. It's a wonderful experience and I really enjoy it. Okay, thank you for coming today. Please take care. Remember you're loved, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye-bye.